Hello, trading is closed on July 21st, 2020. Let's go over our calls. Said the commonest thing was a gap and a prompt move outside the day's range. We got that. Look for the pattern with the early high, and tomorrow has the early low. There was a target of 32.2636. It doesn't really exceed its preferred time frame till early tomorrow, so officially it's on the table. But since we gapped up smartly today, it no longer has to print within that time frame. Here's what we said. Gapping up takes the timing but not the number off the table. Gap and prompt move outside the range. Have a new target that ultimately 32.7682 will print. There's no time limit on these ultimate targets. And also, if we do reverse from here, remember that MEJT will almost always leave a unsatisfied target of some kind when a significant reversal comes. During the day, we got an ultimate sell and an ultimate buy signal in the same complex. Typically, when that happens, you don't go anywhere for at least the morning and sometimes well into the rest of the day. We got buy signals in the afternoon that worked, but the system said the move was false, would retrace, and that's already happened. Trying to find the end of wave blue B. We're still in an area where this could be it, but it doesn't look as negative as I thought it would be. It's possible it's not the end of B. It could be just A of B. It could be if wave C starts, it should be like A, but it could be just A of C. They're all reasonable counts, but at some point this wave has to end, because I don't think there's any valid count in which this corrective pattern has ended. There should be at least at some point one more wave down. If we had been drawing it this way, it kind of exceeded our target by a little bit. But if you keep these letters exactly where they are and just redraw the lines, you come up with this. You'll see it's not perfect, but A is 61.8% of this advance. Purple, make that magenta. C is 61.8% of this advance. It's common for B to be right between the 38.2 and 61.8%. To me, it's close enough that at least be aware that this is an area from which a significant drop could begin. Until we undercut some of these lows, I don't think it's a lock. As I've said, just because this count works, it doesn't mean other counts won't. But it certainly is a time for caution, particularly when the old volatility index VXO gave a Bollinger Band reversal sell signal. So tomorrow's pattern has early low, doesn't mean you won't gap up. The wave count's compatible with a significant top. Old volatility index is given a sell signal. Nothing's for sure till some prior lows fall, but we still are in an area in which a significant drop could begin. That's not a guarantee that it will. It's just, I think, a time for caution. If we start dropping fast and hard, I'd believe it. But we shouldn't really go too much over these highs if that counts the right one, and we aren't certain at this time if it is. Tomorrow's pattern has the early low, and that's today's call.